Maria's Love Story, Part 1.
Mom, we don't have time. You said we'd go shopping.
Oh, my honey, of course, we will go shopping. My daughter is beautiful, and you know what? A new shop opened in our city. We will go there. And where is Maria?
I don't know where she is.
Maria, come here. Where were you? Have you ironed my clothes?
Yes, Mom, I have ironed your clothes. And have you cleaned my shoes? Yes, Natalia, I have already cleaned your shoes.
Okay, we are going shopping. Today you will make dinner, pasta, rice, cake, egg curry and chicken. And I don't want any mistake.
Okay, Mom. Let's go, Mom. We don't have time. My mom never talk with me nicely because she is my stepmother and Natalia is my stepsister. They don't like me and don't love me. They are just treat me like a servant.
Let's go, my love. Maria, clean my room and change my bed sheet.
Okay, Mom. My father is a rich man. When I was 6 years old, my mother passed away. After 2 years, my father got married. I was thinking I found my mother, but she doesn't love me. She hates me. Good afternoon, Daddy.
Good afternoon. How are you, Maria, my daughter?
I am fine, Daddy. Daddy, can I talk to you?
Yeah, of course.
Daddy, I want to study. I am the number 1 in my class.
Really? Congratulations. Yes, you can study.
Daddy, I want to study to the city college. I want to go city. I don't want to study in the village.
But you can study here.
Daddy, please try to understand. I don't want to study here.
Okay, I will think.
No, it can't be possible. You can't go, Maria.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
Yeah, it was great. I had lot of fun.
Good afternoon, Mom. I have to go now.
Please, Daddy, think about me. I want your permission.
Maria, I am very tired. I want to drink a cup of tea.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, honey, give me a hug. I love you a lot, honey.
I love you too, my honey.
She is our daughter. I love her a lot. This world is very dangerous and she is immature. We can't send her in the city. I want to see her happy, but she thinks I don't love her. She thinks wrong about me.
I think you are right. We cannot send her in the city. She is very innocent.
I have a proposal for her. He is a farmer and he lives in our village. He is very hardworking boy.
But he is poor. We are very rich. I want a rich boy for my daughter.
Okay, if you want a rich boy for your daughter, so then I will find a rich boy for our daughter. How dare you? You cannot study. I will find a proposal for you as soon as possible. I hate you. You are an idiot girl. Come and make tea for me.